Memonia Aquaba Batuma GHS so ebre aso say and sabotreku betudwan mede ebesomo ebofide eso na dey someone in Saka and say a Bank of Ghana sesia dey womo ene Kantanka Automobiles kwasetina womo etra sekasafa bullion funds manufacturing won say be bi ama banks awodo oh my God mu asene be ya in the transportation of money from one bank to the other no the ne na sentiment di hima de sa akrofo from target bullion vans wo mo kunkuma police for say this kind of free wo mo ensem no na say want me twa eno no eso na bisa for asem we abeto dwana no na asem kesa na de Ghana obi aka say a che so Diabe they was for Kantanka Automobiles penny power down no Safo Kantanka Junior the do back the managasa the bano and no down no na so no and so ne and some chauffeur comodia to just say they see a day there bank verse 9 and we no more transfer more agreement bia no so do wonsa e be share krata say assign now woman to me produce a bullion van be our Ghana ha de amom no so etimi e de do mo no mbeka ya enche bia sa and the best so say a bullion van tragedy see wo Jamestown no course so no at say nam so ma police ni penny Constable Emmanuel was say otimi etwene nkwa ewo mu no bi form Kantanka Automobiles the pictures be betu that's woman so woman aye fully armored bullion vans be omo sha ebeboa ma te say in the transportation of money no bibia koso one na conference front me entu she so enchi a police finance bambofo omo mo enter say emphasica no enwane bemtem no and say that bray me no ekasa say Bank of Ghana edina so a womo dia ko hu Kantanka Automobiles in 24 eno mo akwasetna womo di nkomo efa the manufacturing of bullion vans womo de ebema womo no mutimi ededu mo na ibuso for video wo ha wo kasa womo ne ba ko say ansana no me kam so me ko so ya say amede edwede ebremo wo chat here herbal center wo chat there say na wo ya re no esifati bia no womo de alefa bre na so say wonam ni ya hwe wonam ni pedwemu ya hwe anam pokrampo no bisofo huhumu ya hwe omo ewo anodro metimi abo wo sa kwan no esonti but omo che kwan ewo danso man anytamale ebiem so mo phone numbers na etwegu ewo sem from no mutimi enso mo a unya na so etimi SP esita ye go Kantanka Automobiles penny power down on the video yi embrace say ba na nkobondi wo che bia no side bata wo dia so.
In December last year, the Bank of Ghana, after a meeting with cash operation managers, directed all deposit-taking institutions to acquire the requisite bullion vans for cash operations. Recent attacks and subsequent loss of the life of a police escort at Jamestown in Accra has opened up the conversation. For Kantanka Automobile Company Limited, it is ready to accept the challenge.
For the past 3 years, Kantanka Automobile, our tech exhibitions, we've been constantly exhibiting military and defense vehicles just to let people know that the company has the intention of diving into that area. And we meet all the international standards, the European standards, the BOG standards, B+4 and all. We meet all those standards. So, I mean, we are in a very good place to handle any contract like that from any of the banks.
Currently, the company is finalizing talks with 4 banks.
So I'll give you 5 to 7 weeks, tops. If we're going to use an express service, that is 5 weeks. But if it's going to be a normal service, because it has to go through all the detailed checks. Do you understand? This is something that is going to save lives. This is something that is going to carry human beings. If you're going to rush a project like this and you go and maybe I missed a certain place, I mean, I need to make sure that the grenade protection system underneath the car is safe. I need to make sure that when somebody fires through your water tank, it is safe. Your fuel tank, it is safe. Because if the body is all bulletproof, your water tank is not bulletproof. If I'm a bad person, I'll go straight for your water tank in order for you not to be able to move. And I'll have time, spend time to break through the vehicle. If your fuel tank is not bulletproof as well, I would also just fire it a few shots and the car will just be on fire. So, I mean, it needs time for it to be properly done.
The Chief Executive Officer, Kojo Safo Jr., described the police service's end of June deadline to banks as not practicable.
Given deadline for 4 weeks, I don't think it's feasible. Unless maybe they are going to probably airlift brand new vehicles with huge sums of money, because airlifting anything is going to cost higher. But if it's going to use the normal shipment that we are going to import certain parts that we need to assemble in this country, I mean, 6 to 7 weeks it's more like it.
The Kantanka Automobile Company Limited is ready with all its resources to provide ingenuity to existing banks in the country, i.e. transporting their monies in protected vehicles. According to the CEO, Kojo Safo Jr., it will be patriotic on the part of these banks to engage a local firm like Kantanka just to shore up Ghana's economy.
Ebusuafo de petie ewo yasom na sabe yaso etimi Ghana for ye mututo na bi chicho ye patriotic to the nation ye do Ghana se o man Ghana benya ne nkoso ebenya ne kan ko ye pese enkomayi ya ngasa ye mu ye mayimu enyema no ye bedo se ye beye ne saa ye be maintain nyama ye ha se sempoka ye nya bibi ye beye wo ha se meka indigenous manufacturing say eba ne say oh ye nya akade bipo a ye enko ese de bia da ne ye krefia manone ejani edi ye kra de dan etimu ahonyama ye kra enkonya betena so ye kra those your carpenters wo Ghana mu akra kono ye kra bibia ye je ede fi eye abrofo afia manone eno na ama most in the economy no entimi enina faako and see ade ya aba say pressure abeda Bank of Ghana so and ebem so banks ahodo so at a conference for the money esi womo bullion vans just transport wo musika from bank to bank no as an anno na ocheche menam suma constable Emmanuel session enquire ya as one of the many esi in recent times and intenam so see ade wo sade pressure yi ko ede akoma Kantanka Automobiles car dia momo na just no kwan so no because it's time say as for mine we about value ya kasa indigenous producers and manufacturers wo mu djuma wo mu edi o man Ghana na no epedia my man yen koso no etibia konkan because Kantanka nya ne en wo ba ye wa ye nyama bebre wa ye televisions wa ye planes ne de keka ho ni nie mu na nka Ghana for the donor chain impo senka aban be so na sen na nka mpo na be state owned industrial company na just say bibia na contractor kese ne de komo mo na nkoma ye na enu Ghana ha ya ye nwa ni ye chia ho kana esesika na ye maintain e wa na so da ye ni basic Kantanka ye kas na so de bia da ye pe trotro ye pe Uber ye order fi amonene abrofo de ne ye pe ni ama ya pay import duties ye chia na pum e de mo ye fiaka any taxes ahodo wo de mo ni asa kra de aba ni a driver na te say how ni te say nyema bebre keka ho part ni a ye je edi from money de aba na ye de ye wadwuma na sesika na ye pe da edi kuku mo na so so man so ye sika sem so say na nyina ye sa de shite ya de ye shite it is about the say free da amro be say the bullion vans ye o target and non tie the pressure to Bank of Ghana so munya fully armored bullion vans no be boamaska crab bia na sesika no emu kra no safe no na say no nti no mo de say pressure da mo so ntemenu ha say na ntempa so no munya nti no mo da koto Kantanka Automobiles so no we want the others one sharp ebu mega say we na mbwa na auto we Kantanka dey no betman the count you all sorts of views about Kantanka Automobiles but ni niemu no say Ghana produced the nkwade ne butafo it's a good start say ye be sha seni ado ya ka say manmu emu enyama na biom so no ye pushi ye manmu produce things na akon kan say na be ya ye man so ye betimi nya gina ye papa bi ewo world market no eso because say Bank of Ghana e be sha say use bullion vans free Ghana ha to say Ghana ni and what produce no enche other African countries so okay when we say na poor mo so mu go through problems they quite Ghana the second peaceful country in the whole of Africa it is yempo yetimi manage your peace na kokoso yetimi manage ne sa no mo so mani baba no mo so be jibi yes say na ye tre economic wise ebeba emoman yetimi enya nkoso I think say a good success na Ghana for the donor so adwin ebi so e different opinion but ni mu no say Bank of Ghana dey same we have to no Ghana for the donor ehunu say ebeboa pa wo se na wo mo de contract na koma Kantanka Automobiles say wo mo enye fully armored bullion vans no enfam ne busa fom ensem no se ne tebia no munim se wo so adwen dance so na so adwen sonko sa asna mbese me hu se na adwen che fa ensem no ehu esifa etenti bomodi a never try away comment section ho na bi mo so share video way on other social media platforms. Follow Tuma GH on Instagram, Twitter so at Tuma GH _ Facebook so you ho too much GH. Most from we are banning amuswa and never them say me bremo. Yame at my website it is shipping. My cramunia bye.